This question is from Sheila, Hyderabad. She asked, the spiritual path is making me follow a different route and routine from others. Sometimes I think it is making me feel egoistic. Instead of accepting others as they are, the need to change is becoming dominant. Is this a correct way? Should not the spiritual path make us more accepting? Thank you, Guruji.
Yes, spiritual path means what Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita is our spiritual path. So in Bhagavad Gita, Krishna is asking us to be equal in both success and failure. So that is the main thing. So Krishna is asking us to control our mind, make our mind as our best friend by focusing on Krishna. Manasamyamya machitto. So you control your mind by thinking about me. So that is our spiritual path. So if we follow this spiritual path, if we follow what all Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, so then there is no point for ego, because Krishna is asking us to give up the false ego. So that way, when we get this knowledge fully, so then we will not be disturbed by anything. And as Krishna says that Vihaya Kamanya Sarvan Pumam Sarati Nisprigaga Nirmamo Nirahankara. So Nirahankara means free from the ego, free from the false ego. So that way we will not have any ego. We will be freed from the ego, false ego, the Nirahankara. So that way the studying Bhagavad Gita is very important, and following what Krishna says, that should be our spiritual path. So all the instructions given by Krishna in Bhagavad Gita should be our spiritual path. That is the only thing. We should not be following anyone. We should not be following anything other than what Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita. So Bhagavad Gita, everything is very straightforward. All the chapters, all the slokas, all the questions asked by Arjuna is very clear. Answers given by Krishna is very, very clear. So we just have to get this knowledge and spread this message and follow what Krishna says. So then everything will be right only. We will not be committing any mistake. So as Krishna says that, Tasmat Sastram Pramanamte Karya Akarya Vivastito. So Nyatva Sastra Vidanoktam Karma Kartum Miharvisi. So based on the Shastra, based on Bhagavad Gita, one should do everything. So that's what we should do. So then everything is fine. All right. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Guruji. So does it mean that, let's say when she's asking that we need to be more accepting, so does it mean that whatever a person does to us, like let's say something good or bad, we can understand that he is not doing, the three modes of nature are doing. So that way we can overcome our bad feelings toward that person. So in that way, like we can be a little bit more accepting. But at the same time, if the person is a friend and he is going to restaurant and he's inviting us, like let's say to eat meat or something, so in that case we don't accept the invitation. We follow like what Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita, like yeah, we don't accept his invitation. So we need to have like discrimination.
If we follow Bhagavad Gita, we won't even go to restaurants.
Yeah. Thank you, Guruji.
Hare Krishna.